Thanks, Charles. I'm Bella Papaduke, live at the Fort Hood Gate, where we're learning new details about the case against former Fort Hood Army Dr. Blaine McGraw, as military prosecutors laid out their evidence in a lengthy Article 32 preliminary hearing today. The more than 6-hour hearing included testimony from 2 CID special agents and a military OBGYN expert, as the government presented what it called a pattern of abuse. Prosecutors say McGraw is now accused of crimes involving up to 97 alleged victims, including indecent recordings, sexual assault, extramarital sexual conduct, attempting to influence testimony in his child custody case, and more. One CID agent testified the investigation began after a husband allegedly discovered McGraw recording his wife during a medical exam. The agent told the court McGraw admitted to recording patients during an interview with investigators, claiming he used the recordings to document visits because he was overworked. The court also heard details from a second sworn statement from McGraw, where investigators say he discussed having voyeuristic tendencies as a teenager and said those feelings returned after a deployment to Syria. The defense objected to those statements, arguing events from decades ago are not relevant to the current case. A digital forensics examiner testified investigators found videos, photos, and thumbnail images on McGraw's phone, an SD card, email, and a laptop, including recordings of women during exams and allegedly private recordings of an 18-year-old in a shower in her home. The government's medical expert, another military OBGYN, reviewed about 150 patient cases and testified that nearly 1/3 of the exams were not within the, quote, standard of care. She told the court she observed a pattern of unnecessary breast exams, limited use of chaperones, and what she described as deceptive practices to get patients to consent to sensitive exams. While no cameras were allowed at the hearing, we saw McGraw, who appeared in court in his Army uniform. He did not testify and only spoke briefly to answer procedural questions. After prosecutors finished their case, the defense chose not to present any witnesses or make a closing argument. The preliminary hearing officer will now review the evidence and determine if each charge has probable cause to then potentially make a recommendation for the case to go to general court-martial.